Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. Today, I'll be discussing to you all about everything that needs to be discussed, and that's pretty much, this video, and this information as well. So, without further ado, let's begin now. So, ServerSocket and server communication. In ServerSocket programming, which class is used to listen for incoming client requests on the server side. ServerSocket is used on the server side to listen, accept incoming TCP connections. So that's pretty much what it's used for. So that's what ServerSocket is used for. It's for incoming TCP connections. Which protocol does Java ServerSocket use by default? TCP. Is TCP type by default for establishing reliable connection-oriented communication. Yeah, sorry, it's my hiccups, man. Which of the following is a characteristic of a connectionless protocol? It's a very straightforward answer. No dedicated connection established. Protocols like UDP, no dedicated connection established before sending data. Connectionless one. Socket programming, which method is used by the server to wait for clients to connect. Accept method of ServerSocket waits blocks until the client connects. And if you don't close the socket after communication. It keeps consuming system resources. An open socket keeps consuming system resources like memory and ports unless explicitly closed. Which class in Java is typically used for UDP communication? Diagram socket is used for UDP, which connectionless and lightweight. ServerSocket programming, which line correctly binds the server to port 5000? Because the new server is going to be new ServerSocket 5000. Instantiating ServerSocket with the port number binds to that port. In a typical, Java TCP client communication. The client uses which method to initiate the connection? Socket constructed the server the way I nearly said connect method of ServerSocket. The client initiates a TCP connection by creating socket object with the server's IP address and port number. Which statement about TCP is true in the context of socket communication? TCP creates dedicated connection between the client and server. TCP ensures a reliable, ordered, and dedicated connection between the client and server. What is the role of input stream and output stream in socket programming? Facilitate data transfer between server and client. Input stream and output stream are used to read from and write out data to connected socket streams. And there you have it, folks. And here you go, here's the score. 10 out of 10, 100% for my quiz. So that's my score for my quiz, and take care and have a great night. Thank you. Bless you all.